What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We out here. It's bright and early. It's like 5 a.m. We're hitting the road, and we are headed to St. Louis, Missouri, all the way across the state for import face-off this morning. We got the budget car all loaded up, looking fresh. I definitely like the car with the black moldings on the side, not the white. The black's on the other side. But we are all locked and loaded, getting some fuel, and we're getting ready to head out. So I'm gonna run inside, get something to drink. We'll be on the road, and we'll see you at the track. All right, guys, so we made it out here to IFO St. Louis. We're getting the cars unloaded, and we're gonna go through tech, get our class situation stuff, get our class situation sorted out, and then we'll figure out when first qualifier is, and get up there and try and make some test passes. Alright guys, so we're finally getting called up for our first round of qualifying. We're only getting one qualifier. It's like 2:30, I think, almost maybe 3 o'clock. Trying to make the best of it. Troy's loud ass car sitting over here. Nate's car, that's a bad MF'er. We're kind of getting some heat in them, and then we're going to go up and make our first passes and see what happens. But yeah, so I'll set you up. We'll go make our first pass, see what it does. They're only running 8th mile too, so we'll see what an 8th mile's like. Alright, so got Mr. Finishing Lines himself setting tire pressure for me. Not sure what's gonna happen, but I got her heating up. I'm gonna turn the draggy on just for good measure, and yeah, we'll see what it does.
Hey, index class is going full quarter mile.
Oh, really?
Yep. Once you just drop.
Draggy. You're good. Go ahead. I'm gonna put it on the door.
Okay.
1150 index, and because it's 8th mile, it's 735 index. Brandon Duckett in the right lane from Wentzville. Left side going to be Paul LaVista from O'Fallon. 806 for the right lane. Duckett goes 84 miles an hour. LaVista left lane. 84 miles an hour. 80 for the ET.
Duckett goes 84 miles an hour. LaVista 80 for the ET.
Right lane is going to be Matthew McCreary from Blue Springs, Missouri. In the Civic, 92 Civic in the left lane from St. Louis.
And it's going to be Matthew McCreary from Blue Springs, Missouri. In the Civic, 92 Civic in the left lane. From St. Louis. 809, 84 miles.
All right, well, that was like a 850 pass at like 85 mile an hour. This thing is slow. It didn't help. I hit the limiter, top of 3rd gear. I'll have to pull the log and see what it looked like. My draggy fell. That just sucked all together. But we'll get the time slip, and then I'll pull the data log when we get back to the pits. All right, so the first pass car went at 847 at like 85 mile an hour. Had a lot of issues. spun the tire a little bit on the launch, so I made a couple changes, tire pressure, so on and so forth. Hopefully get a little bit better burnout this time, so try and keep it from spinning. And then I bumped the rev limiter up like 250 RPM because it hit the limiter a couple times. And then I hit boost cut, so I bumped the boost cut up like a couple pounds, and I hit it right at the top of third gear right before we crossed the 8th mile. And that's what we're doing today, is 8th mile. So we're going to get up here, got her started up, warming up. I'm gonna set the camera up. We're gonna try and get our first round of eliminations out of the way, and we're racing a EG hatch, which he didn't apparently have his nitrous bottle on. So if he turns his bottle on, we might be screwed. But we'll see what happens. We'll give it our best shot. It is what it is. Hopefully I'll get a little bit better past this round and see if I can get closer to like a 820 or something. All right, guys, this is our first round of eliminations. We got the 8.0 all motor nitrous EG hatch over here. He's probably gonna get us, but we're gonna give it a shot.
739 at 99.
You went a 739?
739 at 99.
No,
That's insane, baby.
Fuck yeah, it is. Holy shit.
And that was, it still went through a burnout. It came up on the chip, but they're not putting enough water in this right lane. I'm gonna spray it for you.
Guys, so we're going up to semifinals for FIS, or no, FIS 1150 index, and we got to race this Supra. He's gone 8.0s twice, and we've gone 8.1 so far. So as long as I can get him on the tree and get a decent burnout, hit my shifts, you know, we stand a chance. So either way, I made 2 passes, had a lot of fun. I tried to pull the data logs, didn't have enough time. The laptop won't hook up to the ECU for some reason. I don't know, the computer needed to restart, so I didn't have any chance to look at the data log for the second pass. So we're just gonna see what happens. Gosh, I saw the slip. I saw it pop up on the board. I'm sure you probably did too. I don't know where my phone went, so I can't look at it. Oh, my phone. I'm videoing. They showed a 788 at like 92 mile an hour. That thing must have 60 footed really good. All right, guys, so they already called us back up. I literally just got to the pits, turned the camera off, got out of the car, and they called us up for the finals. So we're going to the finals with Mercedes-Benz that ran like 880s. So hopefully we can do what we need to and stay out in front of him. And hopefully get a win in 1150 index. I think it'd be pretty cool. Either way, like I said, we've had a blast. This has been a ton of fun. So, I mean, what more can you ask for? The old budget car impressed me today, to say the least. Impressed me. I'd like to be able to pull a data log, but hopefully after this one, maybe it'll be in there, or I'll restart the laptop and maybe we can get something figured out. But anyways, we're gonna head up to the lanes and get into the finals here.
Index final. Matthew McCreary from Blue Springs, Missouri, in the right lane. Left lane, we got Paul Lagusa from Old Family. 2015 Mercedes in the left lane.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
That was not the best pass, but we did it. That was like an 840 pass at like 89 mile an hour. The car drove out of the groove, obviously, and now it's like, yeah, drove hard right, banked second, still drove right, so, but we got the W, so hell yeah. All right, guys, so we made it back home, and we're getting the budget car unloaded here, but we had a really good time with it. We won the event, obviously, so that's a super huge deal. But yeah, this turned out to be really cool. Really, it was a really fun event. Got to see a bunch of local friends, and you know, met some people I didn't already know, so really good time. This might be something we try and do with this thing, maybe try and get it to go a little bit faster. We've got some things we can work on with it, but I think it's doesn't make a ton of power, but it just works really well because it's right there at that threshold of makes just enough power to work really well. I think any more, then you kind of open up another can of worms, and you have some other things you have to learn and try and consider. So there's always that fine line, but I think I had a lot of fun with it, and I think that might be something we try and do with this. Maybe we'll try and do the IFO stuff, and then run this in the 1150 index until we get the red car sorted out, and maybe get it out here pretty soon. Anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm gonna get this thing unloaded. I'm gonna go throw my money in the bank, you know, because we want a little cash. You know, we back stuff up, talk, whatever the trophy says, I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna get unloaded. We'll see you guys later.